Third Trafalgar Road suspect captured on video escaping in the back of a truck.
Teach them! Always make sure the message will reach them!
Viewers, I posted a video on Tuesday, May 11th, in which I attempted to explain how one of 3 murder suspects who reportedly engaged the police in a shootout in traffic along Trafalgar Road on Monday the 10th of May managed to escape. In that video, I made mention, based on the information I had at the time, that a man who can be observed in video that were in circulation on social media, crawling and rolling in the road during the exchange of gunfire, was not the same man shown lying dead in the road after the shooting subsided, because he had managed to board a truck and escape from the scene. Now, despite not having full video coverage of his escape, I have a video clip that shows a man believed to be the individual in question laying flat in the back of a white truck as it made its way from the location of the gunfight. At the time of this publication, the police who believe the suspect was shot and injured are still working on locating the truck and apprehending the suspect.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them!